Was Bad Bunny's halftime show a political statement? Now, a lot of people, both conservative and liberal, are calling the Bad Bunny halftime show a breath of fresh air because it wasn't political. It's an interesting observation because Benito's show was entirely political. In a span of 15 minutes, he covered colonization, the exploitation of working class, multiculturalism, gentrification, and an updated definition of America. I don't think you can get more political than that. So why did people think it wasn't political? Well, I'll tell you why. Because of its positivity. Now, there was a time when we elected our leaders based on the vision that they articulated for America, based on their ability to inspire us and show us what is possible. Today, we select leaders based on how well they insult their opponents and on their skills at instilling anger and fear. So we don't recognize Bad Bunny's performance as being political because it wasn't about grievance. It wasn't fear-based. It was a message of positivity, a celebration of unity over division, of inclusion over xenophobia, and most prominently, of love over hate. The kind of vision that used to get politicians elected and will someday again. Now let's watch.
God bless America! Sea Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Perú, Ecuador, Brasil, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Panamá, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, Guatemala, México, Cuba, República Dominicana, Jamaica, Haití, las Antillas, United States, Canadá, and my motherland, mi patria, Puerto Rico.
If you can't be inspired by that, I honestly feel sorry for you. And if you want to learn more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.